Thousands of birds moving as one, painting living patterns across the sky.
Roof flew off.
Has a tornado or extreme weather event like this ever happened where you live? Share your experience in the comments below.
Oh my God, he hit him. He hit him. Oh my God, no.
Incredible thing you've ever seen?
I have never in my whole life.
That is so
on
cool.
video. Holy cow, nobody would believe me. Oh, so many. Even the people are just standing there like, what's going on here?
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Jeez!
In dry regions or extreme heat, any remaining water can evaporate very quickly, leaving fish stranded completely out of water.
Twelve o'clock, right in front of us. See the ring of bubbles? 12 o'clock, right in front of us, guys.
What? So, can somebody tell me I am on?
These isolated black smoke rings are often mistaken for supernatural phenomena.
Oh my God.
Roof
The
gone.
Roof coming up.
Oh,
In Enid, Oklahoma, on the evening of April 23rd, a massive tornado created a terrifying scene near Vance Air Force Base. This is a rare atmospheric phenomenon involving hot plasma streams moving at extremely high speeds through the upper layers of Earth's atmosphere.
Kind of low cloud over the water resembles a rare misty cloud effect, almost as if it's suspended in midair without moving.
Neck barnacles, a type of crustacean that lives in the ocean.
In perfect sync on a branch, making it look as if a living wave is rippling through it. One single organism in motion. This is the moment when the moon moves between Earth and the sun, casting its shadow and dimming the daylight. For a short while, the sky falls into a strange, quiet twilight. Move in a dense, living stream along their natural route. Strong that it literally blows the waterfall back upward. It creates a rare reverse flow of air and water.
Let's see which state most of our viewers are watching from today.